Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to save template and how to save edit feature and export your selected layer if you want to work in QGIS. So it is very important for saving edit feature, template and export data. So listen carefully this video to end, like, share and subscribe. Hit bell icon for new video. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data. We save template. For save template, we go to project and we go to save as, and we here is our path. We select particular path if you have, and we write here my template underscore 1 and we save it. Our template is saved. If you want to open it, you double click, so your data has been opened same as you save. And if you want to save edit, so first we create a feature, start editing, we select polygon and we create a sample polygon. For editing, we right click and OK, our feature is created. And for save, we go to save icon, we click here, our feature is saved, edit feature is saved. If you want to export layer, you go to selection and we select it as per your choice. We select 5 feature and after selection we right click and go to export and save feature as, and we select here file name means path, we write here name, selected feature, and save it. After it, we tick here save only selected feature. After tick, we OK. You see here our selected feature exported. You see only selected feature. Here is only selected feature layer is created, and here is all layer. Our process is complete successfully. Save template, save edit and export selected feature. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new video, and I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss level in QGIS. If you want to work in QGIS for map creation, so it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end, like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our map. Here is our map, and we right click, go to property and we select here label and we select here single label. After it, if you want to normal display on text, you select here size only, you write here 20 as per your choice, and you select here font type and color, apply and OK. Your labeling is display. If you want to modify as per your requirement, so you go to property and select here formatting, you change formatting as per your requirement. Type cases, uppercase, lowercase, we select here uppercase. And spacing, if you want to space, you select here space. After it, if you want to enable text orientation, you select here text, horizontal, vertex and rotation, we select here orientation. After it, if you want to buffer, you select here buffer and tick draw level buffer, and you select here buffer size and buffer color, we select here buffer color, we change it, here is buffer color. And if you want to transparency of buffer color, you select here transparency. After it, if you want to background change, you select here and click draw level and shape, square shape, ellipse shape, circle shape, we select here square. And color as per your choice, select here color. After it, apply. If you want to use expression, we click here expression and we go to field and value. Here is name 1, we already write here name 1, and we use string concatenate, we click here. After it, we take new line, click new line, and after it we again use string concatenate and we take name 2, double click. So here we display name 1 and new line and name 2. OK and apply and OK. You see here first line and second line and buffer as per your requirement. So you change labeling as per your requirement. So it is very important for QGIS or labeling. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new video and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.